In this video, I will be solving the 12th problem of IOQM 2024 paper. So we were asked to consider a square ABCD of side length 16 and E and F are points on CD such that CE is equals to EF is equals to FD and BF and AE meet at M, and we are asked to find the area of triangle MAB. So if I consider ABCD, so we were given E and F are points on CD such that CE is equals to EF is equals to FD. So that means F and E are trisecting this line segment DC. So now like if I consider, so the side length is 16. So we are asked to find, so line BF. So line BF and AE, they're meeting at this point. So here like if we observe, like we know all the lengths. So even this will be 16 by 3, 16 by 3, 16 by 3. So we know all the lengths. So we can just find the area. We just need to find the area of MAB. And we can see it's a nice perpendicular thing. So if I assume this as origin, this will be 16 by 3 comma 0. This will be 32 by 3 comma 0. This will be 16 comma 0. And this will be 16 comma 16. And this will be 0 comma 16. So I can find the equation of BF line. BF line segment is passing through 16 by 3 comma 0 and 16 comma 16. And AE line segment is passing through 0 comma 16 and 32 by 3 comma 0. So I can find M by using this point of intersection. So first the line equation will be, so y minus 16 by x minus 16 is equals to 16 by 32 by 3. So which is, so 3 by 2. So that means 2y minus 32 is 3x minus 48. So that means 2y will be 3x minus 16. So in the similar way, y by x minus 32 by 3 is equals to 16 by minus 32 by 3. So that means y by x minus 32 by 3 is equals to minus 3 by 2. So that means 2y is equals to minus 3x plus 32. So that means 3x plus 2y is equals to 32. So we got 3x minus 2y is equals to 16 is the first equation, and 3x plus 2y is equals to 32. So if I solve these two equations, 6x is equals to 48. So that means x is equals to 8 and y will be 3x minus 16 by 2. So that is 24 minus 16 by 2, which is 4. So that means this point that we are having, that will be 8 comma 4. So that means this segment that we are having, so that will be 4. So that means the height of this thing will be 12. So height of this triangle is 12. So we need to find the area of MAB, which is half times 12 times 16. So area of MAB will just be half times 12 times 16, that is 16 times 6, which will be 96. So 96 will be the area of triangle MAB. So we're using coordinate geometry instead of using Euclidean geometry. So if we have to use Euclidean geometry, we can see the symmetry involved here. So if we see the symmetry involved, so here also we're going to this point, here also we're going to this point. So there is symmetry, so that means this will be at the midpoint. So that's why you got it 8 comma 4. So I think like we'll just get 8, and then like we need to use similar triangles because we can observe like triangle MF is similar to MAB. So we can use the similar triangles in order to do just by raw Euclidean geometry. So we can also try that way. So if we have to do the same thing by using Euclidean geometry, so we are having it square. So we can see there is symmetry involved here. So we can straight away say this will be 0.8, but the height is the question. So let's assume this is height h, and so this will be of height 16 minus h. So now these two are similar triangles, and we know the total length, and we also know the side length of this. side length of this, and we also know side length of this. Side length of this will be, so this is 8. So until here it is 8. Until here it is 16 by 3. So 16 by 3 plus 4. 16 by 3 plus 8 by 3 will be the thing here. And this won't be 8 by 3. So we got this part as, so we know that this side length is 16 by 3. So we are having something like this. So we know this is 16 by 3, and we know this total length is 16, and we know this height is h, and this height is 16 minus h. Now the ratio of heights will also be equal to corresponding side length ratio, since this MAB is equivalent to, so we can consider this as h, so that we can directly find its corresponding area, and 16 minus h this will be. So what will be the heights ratio here? 16 by h will be 16 by 3 by 16. So that means 16 minus h by h will be 1 by 3. So that means 48 minus 3h is h. So that means 4h is 48. So that means h is 12. So if h is 12, area will just be half into 12 into 16, which is 96. So by using Euclidean geometry, if we have to solve the same question by Euclidean geometry, we have to make the use of similar triangles. Or if we use coordinate geometry, we can just use the equation of straight lines in order to solve the same question. So in both the solutions, we are getting answers the same. So 96 will be the area of triangle AMB. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.